When we transpose a piece of music, we're moving it up or down by a constant interval, very often in order to change the key. And this is something that we know how to do from the time that we're very young, at least with our voices. I know that I can go to the piano and pick out any note and sing a melody from that note. For instance, I could go to the note C and sing, "Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are," or the note A. "Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are," or the note E flat. "Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are." It's completely natural, and we do it without even thinking about it. But if we're going to transpose music to be played on an instrument, or when we're going to write it out in music notation, we have to be a lot more careful and a lot more precise about the way that we do it. And we've talked a little bit about transposition so far and hinted at a couple of ways that we do it. But now in this series of videos, we are going to take you through transposition step by step and show you a couple of specific methods for doing it. There are two basic approaches that I'm going to lay out for you. One is transposition by interval. The other is transposition by analysis. The first one is in some ways the most straightforward one, transposition by interval, where we simply take an interval by which we want to transpose some music up or down. Suppose we want to move a piece of music up a perfect fifth. Then we just go to every single note in that piece of music and move it up a perfect fifth. It's a little bit tedious, but it will always work. It's always guaranteed to work. The second way, transposition by analysis, is going to use some of the tools that we've learned in this class, like Roman numerals and scale degrees, to analyze the piece of music that we have and then shift our frame of reference. And I find this is a great complementary way to know how to transpose things, and it can often be very useful in the real world. So I'll give a very complete explanation and demonstration of both of these, but that's what you're going to be seeing in this series of videos coming up.